In the Netflix series Cobra Kai, you'll often see characters practicing karate techniques by themselves in choreographed sets of movements. In the martial arts world, these are known as kata, and you can read more about the history behind them and their importance in modern self-defense at maarshal.com. For casual viewers, it's clear that these are techniques the characters must learn to defeat their opponents. But the true benefits of kata may be lost on those without a martial arts background. You too can practice the techniques seen in the show to focus your mind, train your body, and boost your confidence. The most iconic kata in the world of Cobra Kai was practiced way back in the original Karate Kid movie from 1984. Wax on, wax off is the oft-quoted technique taught by Mr. Miyagi, played by Pat Morita, to Ralph Macchio's Daniel LaRusso. At first, Daniel sees the movements as nothing but a menial task to polish Miyagi's cars. But Daniel has an aha moment when Miyagi shows him what he has really learned. As Miyagi attacks Daniel, he intuitively uses the wax-on, wax-off movements to successfully defend himself. Rather than performing a thankless chore, Daniel was actually training his mind and body to be able to react in a real-life combat scenario. This is the core principle of kata. 35 years later, Daniel finds himself in a similar situation in Cobra Kai. Dimitri, played by Gianni DiCenzo, wants to learn self-defense to protect himself from bullies and instinctively identifies the menial tasks Daniel gives him as a way of training muscle memory. In Cobra Kai and the earlier Karate Kid films, kata have numerous benefits for the characters beyond just muscle memory for self-defense movements. The active nature of practicing kata, which combines elements of both cardiovascular activity and strength training, also have numerous physical benefits. And the intense focus on the movements allows the characters to clear their minds and even achieve a state of meditation that allows complete control of their body. This is depicted in the second season of Cobra Kai when Robbie, played by Tanner Buchanan, is able to balance himself atop a tree branch. Lastly, learning kata movements and their practical application can also boost one's self-confidence. In Cobra Kai, this is seen when Dimitri is finally able to confront his bullies without fear of retaliation. He's able to do this after realizing that his instincts have been honed to react in the correct way using the show's kata. The benefits of kata aren't only to be enjoyed by martial artists or those who want to learn muscle memory for self-defense scenarios. Anyone can practice kata to gain focus, get some light exercise, or boost their self-confidence. For more information about the particular kata practiced in Cobra Kai and tips on how to practice them yourself, visit maarshal.com. Begin your Ma Arshal journey. Like, follow, subscribe.